Our team coverage continues now with Caroline Cummings live in Burnsville. Caroline, we just showed a wreck in Burnsville. How are things down there right now?
Well, Frank, the snow has not stopped since we got here to Burnsville right off of 35W about 2 hours ago, but the snow is really light. It's not the thick stuff that maybe we're used to that we feel like is going to accumulate a lot. But that being said, gosh, I'm cold there. I can't even speak. It is not conditions you want to be in tonight. Now, earlier today, we drove south about an hour to Rice and Steele counties where there's winter weather advisories from the National Weather Service for dangerously cold winds with gusts as high as 35 miles an hour. That can blow snow onto the roads. We saw a little bit of it earlier and impact your commute if you're driving south, so be mindful of that. But Minnesotans we spoke with embrace these winter conditions after a mild December, that those conditions are finally here.
Yeah, born and raised here, so I'm used to it. Either that or I don't know any better.
A little hectic at times, especially with the snow, blowing snow so bad. And ice, bald tires on my van.
Now, even if the worst temperatures, the coldest temperatures are yet to come, it is still very cold out here. So if you do have to come outside for any reason, be sure to dress appropriately and certainly wear warmer gloves than I'm wearing right now. Frank, I've got those hot hands in to pick up the slack there.
All right, well, lesson learned. You won't do that tomorrow. Thank you, Caroline.